everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to any new subscribers. It has been a while since I have posted one of these. I'd finally gotten some time to sit down and I was really in the mood to sketch. So I decided to film it. I apologize for the lighting issue in this. Towards the end it was getting a bit dark outside, so I've had to bump up the brightness a little bit, so I hope you can still get the idea of what it looks like. I've driven past this building a few times. I decided to take a picture of it because it's very rare to find a red brick building in Florida, and so when I do see them, I immediately want to sketch them. So don't be alarmed when you see the amount of orange in this. It does fade as it dries, and if you are new to my channel, be warned, this is going to look a lot worse before it starts to look better. So because I hadn't sketched in a while, I've been concentrating on painting some large-scale acrylics, so I haven't used watercolor in a while, and my thought process going into this particular sketch was I wanted to feel free, I wanted lots of water, and I actually kind of wish I did a warm-up beforehand so I could have just splashed water and watercolor around a little bit more, but no real issues I had with this, no real struggles, aside from it was getting dark quite fast. One issue, because I haven't used my sketch materials in a while, the white Posca pens had kind of dried up a little bit, so I had to work on those a little bit, and you'll probably notice that the white lines look great at first. And seeing as that we're almost at 4,000 subscribers, I wanted to let everybody know that for the entire month of September, there is a sale for my urban sketching tutorial. So if anybody is interested or has been interested in purchasing it, now would be the time. There is a decent discount going on. This little section here I wasn't going to include. I was unsure about how to approach it, and I thought, well, you know, in the picture it just looks like a mass of mess. It just looked like a mass of stuff, so that's what I did. I painted a mass of stuff. I did a blob of black basically, and then I added in some yellow, turquoise, red. It doesn't really matter what it is. I think the eye will just invent whatever. But I'm glad I included it. I did debate for a while whether I should include the lamppost, but I mean, it doesn't really add anything to the scene for me, and I actually wish it wasn't there. So I didn't include it. I was actually surprised that the ink in my fountain pens and in my brush pen had not dried out at all. Using them was as if I had just used them recently. So I do highly recommend those, and as usual the links are in the description box. And as usual, if you enjoy this sketch, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. And for those of you who hate my music selections, now would be the time to turn it down. I'll see you in the next one.